So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TSD IT Tutorial, and today I'm going to explain you what is research objective in research paper. Okay, so before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never out on our latest content. So let's get started. So research objectives plays a very important role in every research paper. Okay, so we should know what is research paper and what is research objectives in research paper. Okay, so, in research, objectives are specific, measurable, and achievable goals that a researcher aims to accomplish through a research study. These objectives serve as a roadmap outlining the specific steps and tasks that researcher will take to address the research problem or question. Research objectives provide focus and direction, helping to guide the study and ensuring that the research is conducted with a clear purpose. Okay, so we can say research objectives are the outcome that you aim to achieve by conducting research. Many research objects can contain more than one research objective. Creating strong research objective can help your organization achieve its overall goal. The purpose of research objective is to drive the research project, including data collection, analysis, and conclusions. Research objectives also help you narrow in and the focus of your research and key variable guideline, guiding you through the research process. And typically research objectives appear early in research proposal, then between the introduction and the research questions, sometimes depending on the length of the paper of proposal, you can place the research objective in the introduction. Usually researchers also list their objectives in the abstract of their proposal. Okay, the next slide is how to write research objectives. Okay, identifying your research objective is a crucial to conducting a successful research object. Okay, here are three simple steps that you can follow to identify and write your research objectives. First is pinpoint the major focus on your research. Okay, so the first step to writing your research objectives is to pinpoint the major focus of your research project. Sure to clearly describe what you aim to achieve through your research. You can identify a research focus by reading through your industry and literature and finding gaps in existing research. Once you find the gap and that you can fill through your research project, you can start narrowing down a focus for your research project and setting an overall goal that you want to achieve through your research. So come to a next point. Break down your research focus into research objective. So once you know the primary goal of your research project, you can break it down into smaller step and separate objective. You can choose one general objective and a few other specific narrow objectives. In the general objective state in a broad sense what you aim to achieve through your research, then use the specific objective to describe how you can achieve your general goal. Okay, for example, your general objective could be determine how work environment affects performance. In this case, your specific objective might be determine whether sunlight improves performance and measure how performance changes when work environment changes. So come to third point. Write your research objective in the smart format. Another key step to writing strong research objective is to use the smart format. Using this format can make your objective clear and easier to understand, which can make you more likely to achieve them. Make sure your objective meet these criteria, like specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time waste. Specific means be specific about your desired outcomes. Your outcome should be clearly written and leave no room for confusion. Okay, this can help you keep them narrow and focused. And measurable, making your objectives measurable is essential to achieving them. You can create metrics to measure your progress toward achieving your objectives. Okay. And third, achievable. So be sure to create objectives that you can realistically achieve to help you avoid getting overwhelmed by realistic expectations. Make sure you have the resource, the budget to accomplish your objective. Fourth point is relevant. So make your objective relevant to your research and your overall goals. This can help you stay motivated and on track throughout your research paper. Okay. Time waste, so you can establish deadlines to help you keep your research process on track. You can set a major deadline for your entire project as well as a smaller deadline for each objective. Okay, so with this, we end this video here and hope you have understand. Now see you in next video. Thank you. Keep researching.